What's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a Gymshark haul, WBK Girls Hyala Fashion, and I'm giving you guys a discount code for yellow apparel sunglasses. So make sure you watch till the end. I love you guys, and let's get right into this try-on haul. I don't have two pairs of my WBK Girls, but I'm just gonna insert a picture, and because I had already opened them before and I didn't really plan on. Also, my face isn't greasy, I just put on moisturizer. Let's just point that out. So I decided to change into shorts because it's just easier that way. So I only have two of my WBK Girls package that I'm gonna try on, which is the little sweater and the olive green leggings, because I didn't know I was gonna do a haul until I thought about it and I was like, dang, I should low-key do a haul. But it's okay, it's fine. So I'm gonna unpackage all of these and then try them on, obviously. So let's get it. This is the WBK Girls olive green leggings. When I got them, they came really fresh. They had a little piece of paper on the inside, like right here, folded up. So this is what they look like. I got a small. I thought they were gonna be cropped, like they low-key look like they would be cropped, but these are really stretchy and really comfortable and bomb. And then this is the sweater. I did not touch the sweater. Yeah, I did. They sent me two on accident, but it's okay. So this is the second one. This is how it comes. Super nice packaging. Signed by Katya. The packaging is honestly really cute, and I love it. Like, I love the little Ziploc bag, like, you know, packaging. The sweater is so cute. Like, look at her. Look at her. The only thing I will say about this is that in her picture, the zipper is all black. And I really liked that. Like, that was kind of the reason why I got it. But in this, it's all gray. And it doesn't really look the same. Honestly, one other thing I don't like about this sweater already is the material's very, like, delicate. So any movement or anything, like the hilos, the thread can come out. That's what I was saying. The thread can, like, come out really easily, so I feel like this wouldn't really last me as long as I want it to. But it's really cute and very stretchy, very comfortable, soft material, and I'm excited. This is the Vital Seamless by Gymshark. I got the whole fit, because I actually like that. But I really wanted I just wanted a fit. I was trying to explain it, I just wanted it, to be honest. This is the shirt, this is the packaging, it just comes folded up nice. You see the little Gymshark. Okay, this is like a horrible unboxing, like, oh, I was about to rip the bag open because I'm impatient. But there's a really, ooh. I like the packaging, that was really nice. Like, that was satisfying to open. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just makes, I don't know, it's like a little swab type thing. Ooh, this material. Oh guys, this material is honestly bomb. And I love these. I love these. Like, for your little arms. Put them right there. Honestly, like, I'm really excited. Oh my god, I can't even wait to try them on. Also, like, the material, guys, it's literally, it's almost like, oh my god. These are so bomb. Like, I'm just excited. Like, you could just tell the material, fire. Like, girl. Fit leggings in charcoal intense steel blue, size small. These bomb. I feel the material. I love it. The band, guys, the little Gymshark band. Oh, these do not look small. These don't look small. Fire. I feel no difference. It has a little like plastic, not, I don't know what to call this, but it's like a little plastic line. I don't know. It's just so like it doesn't slip off of your body, and I really like that. These are really tough for me because of my loose skin, and my loose skin goes over these big bands, but I'm trying to overcome this little baby situation we got going on. Because it's okay, I'm freaking human, and things like that happen to everybody. So, honestly, that's why I got these. Like, I really got these because I was like, I need to overcome this fear of, like, showing my loose skin. Like, I show it, but I don't wear these because of that. Like, I show my loose skin, but I hold myself back from a lot because of it, you know? Okay, sorry to get into that, like, little rant, but horrible folding clothes. Energy high-waisted leggings, indigo small. I'm super excited for these because I have no, like, super out there clothes. This is, like, purple as fuck. So, ooh, I'm so excited for these. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, why am I so excited for these? Like, I literally got the chills. You could see, you could fucking see. I have so, god, it's like giving me anxiety. Sis. Okay, these don't look like the picture. They don't look like the picture, only because the bottom, okay? The bottom did not show this whole moccasin, this little hammock situation that we got going. I don't know if you guys can see. This was not in the picture. They still look really cute. That just had me dead. Like, that looked funny for a second. Ooh. I love this. Like, can we just pay attention to detail? I love this. Like, this is detail as well. Like, I love it. It was just funny. But, like, this, I don't know why, the way that they have it so, like, perfectly placed. Like, anybody I see Gymshark on, I always see this, and I'm just like, dang, like. This one is a discount code that I'm actually going to have out for you guys soon. This is a bikini from Hyala Fashion. It's honestly really, really cute. It looked a lot more mustard in the picture, but it's pretty bright yellow. The back is so cute. I just don't think I'm gonna like my back in it. So I might take out the padding because the padding is a little bit like too much for me because, you know, I don't really have anything. That's basically it. Like, I don't really have any complaints about this other than they came with a stain. But I'm excited to wear this to the beach and take some pictures for y'all. I got a size small, by the way, which I feel like I should have gotten a medium because look at how small these are. These are super, super tiny, and my hips are going to... But we'll see how it looks, guys. Let's get right into this haul. I'm super excited. I have 5 outfits that I'm going to try on for you guys, and... Oh, yeah. I have 5 outfits that I'm going to try on for you guys, so let's get it. Let's get right into this try-on haul. I'm literally sweating so much I had to turn on the AC while I change. It's fucking hot. Okay. This is WBK Girls. This is the little ribbed sweater. And also ignore my nipple covers. I needed to put them on. I love this one. Like, the leggings are bomb. They're very tight fits. Like I said, they have the same thing that Gymshark has, that little plastic thing that I was talking about, that really gives you that, like, tight grip. And I honestly love that because with me, like, high-waisted leggings fall on my ass and it's really annoying. Honestly, what I do love about these is that they're very hugging. Like, I've never seen leggings where I could see, like, my muscles, you know? Like, I could literally see every flex that I do. Like, I could see my quads, like, flexed up, you know? And I can't really see that with, like, any other. Like, you could even see, like, when I stand. You know? I don't know. I've never really seen leggings like that, and that's honestly one thing that I really like about these. This is a yes for me. These are a yes. Katya girl. Okay, fit leggings. I see you being in. Really like them. They're really cute. Booty is popping, honestly. Like, but okay. Review. The band is a little tough because I feel like it is slipping. Actually, it's slipping a lot more than I'd like it to. Like, it's slipping off my back a lot, and I don't really like that. That's gonna get me like pretty annoyed during my workouts. But I like the actual design. I love the material. Like, the material is so like amazing. Like, it literally feels like silk is on me. Honestly, like, I feel silky, bitch. I could use these for like they look good stretch. These are squat proof. I'm gonna check if these are squat proof. WBK is squat proof, obviously. Here you go. These are the fit leggings in charcoal with the blue band. Bomb, really recommend. These are my favorite. Let me tell you why. These, like, since I have bigger legs, like, they show a little bit, and I feel like that's detail, like, you know, like that's detail right there, you know? I don't know, I just feel like it's like different to me, I don't know. And I feel like it's really hugging me in all the right places. Like, my loose skin down here is really loose, like, it's sweet. And I feel like it really hugs it and puts it all in its place, you know? Like, squat proof. Are they squat proof? I think they're squat proof. Okay, last one. This is the entire Gymshark little. I'm so sorry, but I'm about to put these on, and I just saw that this says be a visionary, and I thought that was dope as fuck, and I just have to show you guys. Okay, so this is the last one. This is the entire thing. Back. Honestly, I love it. Like, my body looks really defined in it, and I like it a lot. My ab is showing a lot today, and it's making me pretty freaking happy. Literally flex and see. I love how tight fitting. Like, I love how tight fitting everything is. I love how squat proof they are. Woo! Let me show you guys the bikini I have and the code, and let's go summer sales. Okay, I don't know how to feel about this one, but I usually don't get stringy stuff because of my loose skin. My skin has been bothering me a lot, and this kind of accentuates it. Like, the skin just folds over the, you know, like, it just folds over the string, and it just overflows on top of the string. And I think I really like this, but I would like it more on probably something else. I don't think I like that red and yellow. I don't like the padding. Like, I think I'm gonna take the padding out because it just gives me like a and like, we know that feels a lot better, honestly. Actually, this is a maybe for me. I'm gonna take pictures in this and promote. I don't know if I like this on me. They said maybe in a medium, so the strings wouldn't be so tight. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. That was my little haul. I'm sorry I don't have like a whole bunch of products or a whole bunch of clothes to try on, but here's what it is. I hope you guys liked it. Add my Snapchat at IDK_it's Mia. I know. I need to make a new one. It'll happen. Follow my Instagram at Mia_Saldana_. Follow my Twitter for more recipes at Twitter6. At Mia_Saldana6. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Turn on post notifications if you love me. Okay. Wow, this light. Ew. Low key, my abs are like kind of popping today. Look at it. Hey. Hey.